Good morning, dear student. We have already studied about how to create a chart and what are the different components of the chart. Today we are going to discuss about the different type of chart. Okay? So, in MS Excel provide different type of chart, but today we are going to discuss about only 6 chart. Already we have studied about that column chart. Just opposite of column chart is bar chart. Bar chart is used to compare data using horizontal bar. Okay, bar chart is used to comparing data in the horizontal bar. So how to insert this bar chart? Click on insert menu. Okay, then choose here, click on this column box, then choose from here bar chart. Okay, here you can add bar chart in your document. All right, already I have created one bar chart. In this bar chart, student, it displays the data in the form of long horizontal bar. Okay, and each and every this rod is known as bar. Each and every rod is known as bar. It compares the data. Okay, it is just opposite of the column chart. Column chart display the data vertically and bar chart display the data horizontally. Okay, next one is line chart. What is chart is about line chart. It shows trade over the line using lines. Okay, it shows trade over the time using line. It is in the form of line and is used to illustrate graphs trades in data at equal interval. It is quite similar to plotting a graph on a graph paper. Okay, next one is pie chart. Okay, what is pie chart? See children, this is called pie chart. This chart display data in form of circle that is divided into a series of segments. Okay, it shows the proportional size of the individual item that makes up the data series to the sum of items. So in pie chart we are using only 2 data series. Only 2 data series we can use in pie chart. Okay, this is our pie chart. In this pie chart we are using only 2 data series. Pie chart, it compares the proportion of or part of a whole. It only compare the part of a whole. Okay, this is our pie chart. All right, now area chart. What is area chart? One is student, area chart. This is just similar to the line chart with the area under the line filled in. Okay, this is just similar to the line chart. These are our 6 different type of chart which we can use in our data in our MS Excel. So first one is column chart. Column chart is just opposite of bar chart. Line chart and area chart are both similar, and pie chart is used to compare proportion or part of a whole. Okay, so these are our different type of charts. Now, so student, how to modify a chart? First we have to click here. So modifying a chart, we have to click on design tab. In design tab, student, see add chart elements. With the help of chart elements we can add grid lines, legend, data table, data label. Suppose you want to add data table here. Okay. With the help of this we can add data table also. Whatever data is there in your source data, it will attach with the graphs. Okay. Next, quick layout. Here we can change the layout of the graph, and this one is color. With the help of this color box we can change the color of the graph or chart. And these are the different design of chart. Which chart we have selected, it gives the sub chart of this different type of chart. Okay, now select data. If you want to select the data, with the help of this option you can select that one. Change chart type. If you want to change the type of the chart, with the help of this we can change the different style of chart. Okay, so this is the option design, with the help of which we can modify our chart. Next one is formatting. What is the use of this format tab? Actually, this format tab is used to change the format of the different type of. Suppose this chart title, I want to change the format of this chart title. Okay, what I have to do? You can select anything, whatever you want. Okay, now outline. We can change the format of a text, or we can change the color, we can change the font, everything with the help of this format menu. Next one is layout. How to move a chart? How to move a chart? If I want to move this chart, so what I have to do? First, click anywhere in the chart. Okay, then click on design tab. Now in the location group, click on the move chart option. Here student, move chart option is there. See here, location group, move chart option is there. You have to select this option here. Okay, now a dialog box is appeared in your screen. Here it shows new sheet, means if you want to create your chart in a blank new sheet, it will show your chart in a new sheet. If I want to show my chart in any sheet, sheet number 3, sheet number 4, 5, 6, anywhere, so I have to select. Suppose I want to move my chart into sheet number 4. Okay, now press OK. See, my chart, now my chart is showing in sheet number 4. Okay, this chart is displayed in sheet number 4. All right, so with the help of design tab, location group or move chart option, you can move your chart anywhere, any sheet, or you want to move in a new sheet, you can move your chart with the help of design tab. All right, next one is resizing a chart. How to resize a chart? How to resize a chart? Suppose I want to resize this chart or change the shape of the chart. What is the option? Where is that option? I want to change the size of the chart. Okay, so what I have to do? First, click on format. Okay, This is format. With the help of, after clicking this format menu, a list of icons show in our screen. Here we can change the size of the chart. See children, okay, if I want to increase that one, increase the size.